Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna make a quick review on today's trade, yeah? So basically, let's start. Let me just grab this. So basically, let's see what happened. So let's just make a quick review on Friday, yeah? So basically on Friday, let's see. On the gold, yeah, the gold beautifully played out, even if it was non-farm payroll news released. I was giving let's see, first the gold, yeah. So the gold, it was right here, I think so. No, that was EU. The gold was right here, yeah. I was saying from this zone I'm gonna take buys. From this zone I'm gonna take buys. So basically that's what I took. On gold I took a beautiful trade. This one was, let's see real quick what it was there. On gold it was like full TP3. Let me see. Yeah, that's the one. It was 3R. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice, guys. Let's just move on, yeah? And then, oops. And then on GJ, oh my days, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Somebody just calling me. Let's see. EU unfortunately left us without providing an entry, and then GJ didn't retrace to our zone. So basically that was the Friday signal, yeah. And let's see what happened today, yeah. So today I provided 3 trades. Obviously it was on GJ, Euro USD, and gold. So on GJ I was expecting to go down and then to move up and then retrace, go back up, either to go down, retrace, and go back down. So basically, if you're seeing right now what happens on GJ, yeah, I'm waiting for the retracement to our zone, and it beautifully touches the EMA if it's gonna come back to the zone, and I'm looking to still take a short on this one. But guys, don't just blindly jump into the trade, wait for the confirmation. My confirmation is simple, is the break of the previous candle. So basically I would enter, for example, here, I would enter somewhere here like that, for example, if that would be the trade, yeah, and I would take like that 1.6 and I would take this trade, yeah. So very simple entry, is nothing special. I like to keep the things simple, yeah. So basically we're waiting right now on GJ. I'm waiting to retrace back into the zone and take shorts, obviously, yeah. That's on GJ. Let's see. That was Euro USD. To be honest, what happened? I took a short, but on GJ what happened? I took a short here. You see, it broke this previous candle. I took a short, something like that, and I was looking forward to take these lows, yeah. So basically it was like a fake out or something like that. It just break above and went up, came back to retest the zone, beautifully touches the EMAs cross literally on the zone, beautiful pin bar, break above, took this trade. The how is it called, the target was those highs, the London high. So beautifully play out. It was 2.67. Let's see, guys, and also you have to journal your trades. So on the Euro USD, let's see, first on Euro USD has been a loss, I think so. Hold on, yeah, no, the Euro USD has been a loss. Yeah, you see, I took a loss, and that's fine. But look at this beautiful how this played out. Yeah, it came literally into the zone. Everything was nice. Both EMAs going to the downside, the momentum to the downside, everything was going to the downside. But unfortunately, something happened and You know, that's something what every trader should know. That's a tip from me. Nobody don't know where the where the market is gonna go. Only thing what we can do is just to trade at a zone. Either it's gonna go up, either it's gonna go down, either it's gonna fake above and go down. That's the only three thing it can happen. Yeah. So basically, I hit here a stop loss. Then I changed my bias. I took the TP, and then on gold, obviously, I took a loss. Obviously, here was an enter a trade. Yeah, but unfortunately, went straight to the upside and and just just took me off. Literally, took me off. And yeah, guys, that's basically the breakdown. Yeah, but if to understand, yeah, I literally showed you guys like what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I said I'm gonna take from GJ. I'm gonna wait to play out to see what's gonna be to get out of this zone. Yeah, and then on the Euro USD, I said I'm gonna take a short. I took a short. It faked me out. Yeah, and one thing why I noticed, guys, yeah, is when the price action. Let me grab the charts. Yeah. What I noticed, guys, is when the actual chart, yeah, the zone actually, yeah, for example, only why I find out. But guys, then again, you see, that's my tip for you. But the thing is, you guys have to do your own research and journal your trades, because on the journal your trades you will find out the what works and what doesn't work. Yeah, and what I found what works for me. Yeah, for example, if you notice this stuff, yeah, it came here and it had some small rejection here. You see, like big candles, then small candles break below this candle, and basically that's my entry signal. Yeah, I entered the trade, fake me out, then again like indecision candle kind of, and then smash the high. So what I realized, if for example on GJ, yeah, I found out last week. um, Let me just grab the screenshot, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. The GJ, I remember that was on GJ we buys and then wins. Yeah, that was. So basically, which will happen with GJ last week, yeah, it came here, it gave a reaction here, I took a buys and it faked me below. Yeah, but the thing with this trade, yeah, why I noticed all the time, yeah, if comes to the zone, yeah, and touches, and if provides a reaction, and I'm taking a trade and I'm getting a loss, and most likely it's gonna come back. If comes back to retest, most likely it's gonna go to the downside, because you know, guys, not all the time the zones are rode perfectly, so sometimes it can go to the downside and then take buys. Yeah, so you can't just blindly, if you see it goes through the zone and then comes to retest and then you're just taking shorts. No, I don't working like that. I need to see the, how is it called, the reaction out of this zone. If I'm seeing the reaction of this zone, I'm taking a trade. If I'm taking a loss and it comes back to retest, I just gonna take a sell. But if just in case just breaks through, yeah, and it starts coming to this area, then obviously I won't take any more buys. But if it comes, for example, and I'm gonna show you another example on the GJ, yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, look at this. Oops, look at this. You see, it came here to the zone, yeah, but basically it didn't provide me no buys, no buys yet. So we kind of went lower than our zone, yeah, and then break above this candle. So basically it didn't provide me right here, literally right here, entry, but provide me a little bit below, yeah. And here I entered the trade and just went up, back up. So basically, guys, what I'm trying to tell is just you have to, guys, journal your trades, so then you can see, for example, on today I'm up only 20.24%. That's like nothing. But then again, that's trading. You see, I took today already 2 losses and 1 win. So you know, it is what it is. What can I do? That I'm just sharing with you guys like my experience and what I'm looking to take. And if you wanna pay attention to what I'm talking about, then that's fine. But if not, then fair enough, you can trade with whoever you want to trade. I just trying to keep it everything. I trying to keep it very simple. It just I tried ICT, I tried smart money, I think I tried everything. And to me, the break and retest that's most common for me, and it's very simple. It's literally comes to the zone. Either you're taking an instance, yeah, you could grab like that, and just to take those lows. Very simple, guys. Look, push, sorry, pull back, push, break of structure, comes back to retest, EMA zone, everything lines up. You're just taking a trade. Very simple, guys. You don't need like tons of confluences and fair value gaps and everything. Like what I do really like, I just like to jump into the charts and to take my setups every single day. So yeah, guys, I just got here like 3 people. I don't know who you are, guys, but I just hopefully you are guys my subscribers, and I really would like to thank. Maybe in the future am I gonna provide like signals, perfect signals, but right now I think that's more than enough, guys. That I just gonna provide the ideas so you guys can, at least just pay attention to whoever, because I'm posting here not only the trading ideas but also the results. And it's nothing. I'm not selling courses or some stuff like that. I just literally sharing just whoever trades I'm taking. So yeah, guys, took a loss on gold, and then a win and a loss on Euro USD, and obviously at the end of the day I'm kind of break even. But anyway, guys, I'm looking forward maybe on GJ to take something, but it depends what time is right now. It's 9:26 Eastern, so it's 10:26 Eastern time. If by 11 a.m. doesn't come back to this zone, most likely I just won't take a trade. Just because after 11 a.m., guys, I'm telling you right away, it's not that much volume in the market, and I would recommend just to stay away from the market. What I do really like, I like this setup to be provided like in the first how is it called? In the first, you see even here, yeah. Look, beautiful played out. Came back. You could grab like here the second trade. You could, but man, I don't really like to play those games. To be honest, I don't really like to play those games. If it doesn't provide me from the first time, I just rather just take a loss and that's it. I just like to take a loss and that's it. Alright, guys, so basically that's it. If you got any question, guys, please comment down below and I will answer and I will cover in the next topic. Alright, see you guys in the next video.